Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, guys. It's your girl. It's your favorite girl. So guys, I am at the mechanic. I went to AutoZone, guys. I don't know if you guys know anything about this. I can show you guys the car. Okay, so these came up on my car. Okay. And say hi, guys.
Hi.
What's that in your mouth? So yeah, guys, I'm at AutoZone. I'm waiting for this mechanic guy. See him there, it's Dante there. So he's here finally. I've been here waiting for 1 hour. Dante, I was waiting for 1 hour. I was waiting for 1 hour. So he's here. He's here. And I'm happy. Oh, my hair is, oh God, the girl here is on fleek. Look at those edges. On fleek, okay? So yeah, guys, so I'm here. I'm just worried because some light been popping up on my car. I'm not talking about one, guys. I'm talking about 4. My face is a mess. But yeah, I'm talking about 4 different light. And then when I got the car, I supposed to change the, I think it was the back right rotor. I'm not sure if it's the back right. I know it's the back, but I'm not sure if it's the right or the left. So I'm here at this mechanic dirty place. So dirty. That's man. That is man. That's what mechanic shop look like anyways. Okay. So if you're in anywhere in New York, you could give them a call. I will let my mechanic know. I guess he's gonna be my mechanic. For now, I'm not sure because you know people always change mechanic often. You know, they're the best mechanic until they mess a car up and then you move. So yeah. So guys, that man over there, he was my dad mechanic until, as I told you guys, he make one little mistake about my grandfather do away with him. Huh? I'm great. How are you? Juna sent me to you. I came here before to you when I have a Toyota. You're not gonna remember, but I'm just giving you some details. I'm on my YouTube channel, so you know you could come and check him out, guys. He's on in New York and so Broadway. YouTube people. I'm doing YouTube. I'm a YouTuber. No, trying something. You know, the hustle is real out here. Okay, guys, I'll be back.
Hey guys, so guys, I'm testing my dad mechanic, right? And guess what? The mechanic guys I'm for drive the car. I said the lighting can come on the car. And guess what? No, my drag go up, my drag come back. And no, the lightning can't come on the car. Let me say, no guys, the car can't come on the car. But the car can't come on the car. The lightning cannot come on the car. Oh no, look at this, nothing. And as trust me, as soon as I leave the mechanic and I go somewhere else, the light them gonna pop up. And the guys want to see the light that pop up. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna tell them the light them want to pop up. But me give the paper too. So why I can't? I'm mad because no me can't be reversing the man. Hey guys, you wanna look at me go? No business, man, no lights, nah. What you worried about? Me no business, boy. Me a turn. You blow up. Behave yourself. The light was red when I turned. That one for wait by now. Oh, so they say they come back the moment they come up and get you. Hey, them love me. Them love me now. I'm just gonna beat them. Just gonna beat them. I'm sure. Don't you them? If I care, let's come in, come on. Okay, they can come in and tell. So guys, as soon as I reach back, guess what? As soon as I reach, when I got the set, never come on. When I turned off, now come out and get out of this car. Period. What is the 4x4 that I want? Oh, so they told them.
I saw ABS is basically braking and all these drugs.
Oh, so they're nothing serious, serious.
No, but they probably stopped the car from driving all these drugs when it's supposed to be all these drugs.
Yeah, I'm still have to sit there now. Just want to know the you know. Okay, guys, so we are here at the mechanic. We are here. Tired. So my mother there. She look tired though. Yeah, guys. Sometimes I act crazy, sometimes I act nice, sometimes I act mean. I just me that you see me. I just want to know me more. On the crazy side, the good side. You have to know people good, bad, and ugly. Remember me telling you, if you don't have a boyfriend, make sure you know him bad first. Period. Because all the time, my man gonna be good. Allow me to tell you, Mr. Friend. You don't know. Alright, guys, I'll come back to you guys. Guys, remember to subscribe and share the video. You know, like the edge of Leah flat.
Hello guys, you know it's your girl, your favorite girl, Kimberly, period. This is my cousin, guys. I'm at the house still. You guys know that we've been decorating the apartment, my first apartment, of course. So my cousin is here with me to put up the curtain rod at the balcony door. You remember the balcony door, guys? So he's here, but it's giving him a warm time. You remember my first cousin that came here too? My cousin-in-law, my cousin husband, I should say. And you guys saw that it gave him hell. And I told him, my cousin, guys, I told him. He was like, no, got it. Now he's here struggling, okay? He's struggling, guys. No, I'm not. He's not struggling. It's just like this building, guys, is a commercial building. So they have some big, like iron, you know. And here, put up our curtain rod. You guys, this is the one that my cousin husband put up for me, which I see. She have an arm and just lick it in, like, period. But he's here doing that for me. So I don't have nobody else to help me, guys. Like, but I want to come and go to Baba.
I'm saying the beam.
Hey, Jonathan, what am I tell you, Jonathan, about look at that other one and the one that twist, so you know, like it twists it so.
Yeah, because the iron, I was stopping.
I true, because most of the iron, we see them building when they start building, they see them big old iron that with them put up.
I see one.
I pray say it go through. We should make you do this for me. Should make you come out their room because come and go in the room, you know. Yeah, you don't know only for the building, cause some, you know them people that we are talking about.
Which one I use, the drill?
And the drilling use, yeah. But I want to go in, Baba. But you can lick it. See, it's nasty.
Right, not the drill on board the iron. I want to put much on board with the wall.
We can't go this way, plaster it back.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
There's something on plaster it and RP into do.
See?
Oh. So now go through, Baba. It got something that done. You see it? That body.
No, I got bored. No, I want to mess up. You see the other, are the same bit like that?
It's just annoying when you want something to get done. It's just, you know. I should put at the same place so we can't down them, Baba. Instead of so far.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. About maybe over a bit, little bit more. You know, you don't go inside.
No, I want that board.
Your mom need a kernel there.
Understand that?
I want to try other side of the foot and see. Maybe if you catch a side, maybe you know. I don't know.
I'm sure.
Should I walk? You want me to call Junior? I'm not a video, you know? You want me call Junior and see? Alright guys, I will come back soon.